So, good morning sa inyo. Still our lesson is solving quadratic equation. Pero ngayon, dahil tapos na tayo sa factoring, we're going to use the second method, which is completing the square. So, ano nga ba yung completing the square? So, pag sinabi natin completing the square, siya ay nasa form ng x squared plus bx or x squared minus bx. Kasi ang hinahanap natin dito is yung third term. So, paano ba natin siya i-identify in a very simple way? So, ganito lang gagawin natin, guys. Yung second term natin, kunin natin yung 1/2. And, square nyo lang. That is already your second term. So, dito naman, divide nyo lang siya sa dalawa. And still, kunin yung square. And that is already your third term. Tapos, pwede nyo na siyang i-factor kasi perfect square na siya. Okay? For example, we have x squared plus 14x. Tapos, we wanted to determine kung ano yung kanyang third term. So, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, para malaman natin kung ano yung third term, kunin nyo yung second term, which is 14. I-divide natin siya sa dalawa, or divide it into 2, and then get its square. So, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So, get its square. So, the value is 49. So, it is positive. So, meaning your third term is positive 49. So, if you are going to factor x squared plus 14x plus 49, so this is going to be x plus 7 times x plus 7 or x plus 7 squared. Okay, let's have another example. Okay, example number 2. We have x squared minus 5x. Then we wanted to determine the third term so we can factor it out. So, still, second term, negative 5. Divide it into 2. And then square it. So, negative 5 over 2, hindi naman siya exact. So, square na natin siya. So, negative 5 squared is 25. And 2 squared is 4. So, ang third term natin dito is 25 over 4. So, ang factor niya, so, x squared. So, meaning, x. So, this is positive. Dahil ang middle term natin, yung sign natin sa middle term is negative. And the sign of our last term is positive. So, pareho siyang negative. And then, 5 over 2. 5 over 2. Or, in short, x minus 5 over 2 is squared. Okay, let's have this last example. X squared minus 2 over 5x. So, again, negative 2 over 5. Kunin natin yung kanyang 1/2 or divided by 2 and then get its square. So, remember yung division ng fraction muna tayo, no? So, pag nag-divide tayo, get the reciprocal. So, this will become negative 2 over 5 times 1/2 or negative 2 over 10. So, i-simplify natin siya or mag-eliminate na lang tayo para mas madali. So, this is equivalent to negative 1 over 5. And then, final step is to get the square, which is equivalent to 1 over 25. So, your last term is positive 1 over 25. Yan. So, ano yung factor niya? Ang factor niya ay, so x, and then x, and then, dahil sabi ko kanina, negative yung sign ng middle term, and positive yung sign ng last term, so pareho lang siyang negative. And then just copy 1 over 5. Or in short, your final answer is x minus 1 over 5 squared. Okay? So this is quadratic equation by completing the square.